This video will show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop keeps shutting down randomly for no reason. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in Advanced System Settings. Now click on the first result. Now here you will need to click on this settings button under Startup and Recovery. Now here you will need to uncheck this automatically restart option and then click on OK. Now click on OK again. The next thing you need to do is go to the search menu again and this time type in Edit Power Plan. Now select the first result. In here click on this Restore Default Settings for this plan and then select Yes to confirm. Once you have done this, go to the Power Options menu. Select Choose what the power button does and here click on this Change Settings options. If you have Fast Startup enable, so if this checkbox is ticked, uncheck it and then click on Save Changes. If the issue still remains, right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, you will need to expand batteries. Now here you will see 1 or 2 entries. Simply right click on each one and then select Uninstall Device. Now click Uninstall again. Repeat this for the second entry as well. Once you have done this, right click on the start icon and this time select Terminal Admin from the list. Now in the Terminal Admin window, you will need to run a couple of commands. So I'll also leave them in the description. So simply copy the first command, paste it here and then hit enter. Once the process is finished, copy the second command, paste it here and then hit enter again. Once you have done this, all you have to do is simply restart your Lenovo laptop and the issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to hard reset your Lenovo laptop. For that, shut down your Lenovo laptop completely. Once you have done that, unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. After that, press and hold the power button on your Lenovo laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn on your Lenovo laptop and it should then work fine. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.